Let's go cook some.
Let's go cook.
4 stems of spring onion. Finely chops the green bits. And just slice the white bits in half. Just a quick note, if Weeknight Dinners ever stress you out, I made a free PDF called 5 Real Weeknight Dinners. It's in the description below. Here I'm going to insert a clip of how I make the caramel sauce from the one that I made earlier. So 3 tablespoons of sugar, medium heat. Just sort of brown it down until it gets this amber here. Put half a cup water, hot water if you can, and then simmer it until the rest of the sugar is dissolved at the bottom. And then leave it until it's cooled down. We can use that later to marinate the fish. Now we're going to marinate the pieces with half of the shallots, a little bit of onions, tablespoon of fish sauce. Yeah. And a sprinkle of pepper, white pepper. Half a teaspoon of MSG, teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of garlic, splash of oil, and 1 tablespoon of caramelized sauce that we made earlier.
What happened was they discharged.
Now get your hands in there and give it a good mix. 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat your pan up to a medium heat. You're going to brown off the fish on both sides. About a minute and a half on each side. Just checking the fish, see if it's ready, if it's brown enough. And then we just turn it over. Beautiful. I think that's been about a minute and a half now. We'll check the other side, make sure it's brown enough. Yes, that's done. Now we can transfer fish over to the pot. Now we're going to brown the rest of the shallots. Add in another 2 tablespoons of oil. Tablespoon of garlic. Just make sure you brown it all off before we add the rest of the marinades to the pan. 2 cups of water. Half a teaspoon of MSG. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 1 tablespoon of chilli sauce. Now we're going to pour that over the pot. And bring it to a simmer. Add in a few chilies, and if you're cooking for the kids, leave the chilies out. Add in the rest of your caramelized sauce. Depends on how sweet you want it. I think about 3 tablespoons will do here. Bring it back to simmer on medium heat, and you should simmer that for around 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes in, add the rest of the white bits of the onion and the spring onion. Touch of pepper. I normally do this to check for the sauce consistency. I think now that's done. Yes, perfect consistency there. Voila, the caramelized fish is done. Let's plate this up.